Hi guys, welcome back to the day 14 of analyzing Euro USD. I hope you had a lovely weekend and ready to start this new day. Okay, so I'm already in the position. Let me just see. So I'm in this position right now. My stop loss is 1.17289 and my TP would be 1.16881. So let's see. Let me share the link in the Discord as well. Okay, so let's do the analysis of Euro USD. What's happening in the charts? Let me look. Okay. Okay, so let's hop on to the daily time frame. Okay, so as I can see that so we are looking for a rejection on this area, but let's see if the daily candle closes above this fair value gap or below this fair value gap. Let me see on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so there's a little gap up, gap down. Let me see. Okay, it's possible, it's highly possible that there could be a reversal from this side. But as I can see, is that this constant lower lows and lower highs. We have a liquidity if we see on the 15 minutes time frame. It's a equal, relative equal lows right over here. Also, there is a gap to be filled. If we come on 1 minute time frame. So, okay, so let's see. I have taken on the basis of 5 minutes fair value gap that was bearish, and the trend is also negative bearish. If it's not a trend line liquidity grab, most probably then we can see the further move down. On the 1 minute time frame, the nearest liquidity is right over here on this area. So on the Friday's trade, I waited like whole day for that trade, and it hit a TP. And I was like, what? I mean, I was not even aware of that. I was taken out by the spreads because I did my SL to BE. But I got a learning that I'll never do my SL to BE because it's always like it happened to me because it always takes my break even and then it gives the TP. Though it was a lot of consolidation that day, but it's still we hit the TP that day. So since 4 days, like we are constantly having good trades. Let's see today how it plays. Mondays are a bit tricky, but anyways, we are going with our setups. Good morning, crypto world. Let's see on 1 minute time frame what's happening. Okay. It might be that there could be a small, like a reversal from here if we broke the trend. So it's taking rejection from this point right over here. If you see that the daily candle has been flipped. So for me, if a daily candle has been flipped, it means a lot. Can you explain the trade? Yeah, sure. So basically, what we did is, if you look from the high to low time frame, the trend is indicated downwards. Okay, so there is no reversal that I can see. From 1 hour time frame, I marked my highs and lows of the previous hourly candle, and as I can see that there was a breakout of the previous hourly candle, and when we came into the London kill zone, we spotted a bearish fair value gap within the trend. So I took on the pieces of that, and if I see on the 1 minute time frame as well, the trend was bearish. Okay, so the trend was also bearish, and I came on the 5 minutes time frame. I spotted my entry. My entry was over here. I was supposed to take a bit over here, but it's fine because it got a little bit late. And so I planned my entry over here, and I put my stop loss and my TP 20 pips above and 20 pips down. So 20 pips above and like most of the people say why your TP or your SL is not perfect. Why? Because uh, this is the average number of the pips that it gives. 20 pips is the average number of the pips. If you see or backtest it, the average number of the movement Euro USD gives in the London session is maximum to 20 pips. So that's why I always keep my SL or TP to 20 pips. What about other pairs? I usually trade Euro USD in the London session. I sometimes see Nasdaq, and maximum times I see Euro USD. By the way, today see every pair literally either gap up or gap down. Is any reason behind this? It's most probably there could be any maybe because the US government is shut down. I think most probably because of that, and we didn't get any data. On Friday there was no NFP, no another that's news that was supposed to happen. Most probably because of that. Because there's I can't see any red folder today. Wait. Yeah, so there's no any news today even. But I have seen that when there's yellow or when there's orange folders during the London session, especially, the volatility is very heavy in these sessions. So I always check if there's either orange folder in this session. So we have to be careful about that. Okay, so can we mark that gap that when the data release, then may chance कि वो fulfill हो जाएगा so it just depends upon the pair. Like if you say about like according to my experience, if I see Nasdaq, जब भी उसमें कोई भी gap up आता है, so it doesn't fulfill एकदम on the spot, कभी भी वो fulfill नहीं होता है. It just takes its time and then it fulfills. So we can't expect कि वो when you mark कि उसी time पे वो fulfill हो जाएगा. But it's better you mark that gaps because you will have an idea about that, so we can get a rejection from that area. For example, this euro USD pair, it came this side and it rejected from this area as well, and there was a fair value gap, a huge fair value gap. It rejected from this area, fit the half gap and came down like the CUSD JPY. Oh my god, this is so slow pair. I think UJ would be right now it's worse to be trade because haha CUA exactly. I mean it's very bad. UJ I hate this pair because my personal experience with this pair is very worse. I think the strategy doesn't even work for me in this, but it's very ugly to see this thing. But anyways, it's better you mark this thing and expect a rejection from this area because it does like that only. So, in Euro USD, I think we are left with few. How much pips we got? We got 10 pips around 120. almost. So if you want to do break even or something, it's up to you. But I'm gonna run it full. Let's see. हाँ हाँ हाँ, moral of the story, traders का भी pass होता है लेकिन pairs के साथ and trades. Exactly. That's very true. I mean, it's all about test and try, whatever suits us. So we go for it. The daily candle has been flipped, so I'm happy about that. If we can drive more down from here. Let's see. Let's pray it's not a wick fill because we are already on the 50% level. So actually, yesterday I see your Instagram and through uske he joined my YouTube पे. I'm glad that he found my Instagram. Actually, that's a new account for me, and I'm trying that most people can get some value out of it through my live trading journey. And also, you can join my Discord. The link would be wait if you like. Seems like abhi channel open kiya. Exactly, I've just opened like a month ago. Wow, we are about to hit the TP. That's a good thing. That seems so perfect. 17, we need 3 pips. Okay. No, actually, it's good. Please do post and be active so that I see further discussion and new content. मिलता रहे. Thank you so much. I mean, it's good to see when people follow you, join you, and discuss with you. It always inspire me to do more every day and not stop. Come on, we need just few pips more. On the Friday itself, it happened like that. It rejected from like literally rejected from one pip because I was not looking at the charts. And then wholly it was consolidation. And then like after like hours, it gave the TP when I moved my SL to break even. And then it was like worse. Even I also try कि like Insta open करता हूँ, YouTube करता हूँ, content and all about all, but I think मैं इस मामले में lazy हूँ. I mean, if you think that like everybody is lazy, so if you think like you need to share your journey with people, तो आप start कर सकते हो. I mean, at first everybody is lazy. It's all about consistency and surround yourself with people who actually pulls you to do that. If you like taking this career very serious, if you wanna like build whole your career on this, so I mean that Instagram is very good thing because it keeps you consistent in what you're taking and you're very transparent with people as well. So it's like your personal journal you can share with people. I mean, for me, it's not more of content. It's for me like it's personal development and growth. Like I can be, reflect on my traits when I show up on live stream or on my Instagram. It just tells me what I'm doing wrong, what I'm doing right. Because accountability is very important in this field. Like nobody will come to tell you that you're doing this wrong, you're doing this right. It's all about you. You are your mentor yourself. So that's very important to be accountable. Mainly it's like content is more of accountability you are giving to yourself. I see like that. Yeah, like that, even from that things and people response will actually become more important and more important when people like calling you mentor. That word, oh, I still remember that feeling. Exactly. Like it's your journey and think of like people, how much value you would be giving from your journey to people, like who actually needs you that time. So, I mean, you can tell people what pitfall you avoided yourself that they don't avoid and they should avoid. So like a real happiness for you. I feel like when people appreciate you about like, oh, thank you for the this advice or like that, inspiring us. That's what really pushes you to do more and more and more. So that's why it's very important to be around with the people like minded and stay away from the people that doesn't support you. Stay with people who actually understands your journey and feels inspired, motivated by that. It's all about that. I mean, I'm not a person who comes up on the live stream or do Instagram. I'm a very low key person. But when I see like when I started doing this, I was like, no, actually, I want to do this. I want to help people. Whatever I'm doing, I don't. I won't say I'm a pro trade or something. I'm a normal person, but it feels very good when people look at you and get inspired by it. So that's a real motivation to push you forward and put content every day. Though it's a very difficult task to put content every day, but it's the best feeling you'll get ever. By the way, don't forget my name. Future when you hit the 1 million subscriber. Oh no, I won't. I won't forget the people who join me when I have very less views. But I really appreciate you that you showed up at my live stream and shared your thoughts with me. I don't know, I have a feeling that it will reverse from this side, but because it happened to me twice lately, let's see. I don't want to be happen. Yep, same here. Let's see if we can get it. I think it will drive down. It's possible and not. I sent you something, Discord. Did you send something on Discord? Let's see. It could be a small retracement, might be. This thing hurts. So it's already 12:30. I suppose that I'm about to end the stream. I did my stream a bit late today. It was like 11:50. I'm usually late on my streams, but I'll try to come a bit early. It's like I usually trade from 11:30 to 12:30, and whatever would be the setup, I would be or sharing on my Discord and my Instagram stories. If it's SL, if it's TP, we're gonna take it anyway. And I'm gonna update my funded account challenge updates. What is it and where we are at after like few hours after the street ends. Let's see. Most probably, I'll see you tomorrow if you guys join to trade with me. I'll mostly do this trade to break even, might be like that. If it's 1 hour retracement, then we might hit a break even. Okay, guys. Well, see you tomorrow. I hope you join tomorrow as well. And it was wonderful talking to you guys. And I'll update you guys everything on Discord or on my Instagram stories. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Let's trade. Let's go together.